Hello, welcome back to our series on Kubernetes for beginners. Today we will be creating our own Docker image. In the last chapter, we have created a Docker file, and now let's see how to build a Docker image. So let's start. First, open command prompt and navigate to your folder path where we have kept the Docker file. Now type docker build -t, then the image name and the tag and a dot symbol. It will take some time to build the image. Now let's understand the command that we pass to build a Docker image. So since we are creating Docker image, so it starts with Docker. Then since we are building it, so we have to pass the command build, and -t is for tagging the image. Then we have the name of the image and then the tag name, and if you don't have any tag, it will consider it as latest, but it's good practice to specify a tag name like 1.0, 2.0, and at the end we have to put dot symbol. That means that we are referring to the Docker file location in our current context, that is our current directory. If the Docker file is in another folder, then we have to specify that path. Okay, once the image is built, we can use the docker command like docker image to list down all the images, like in our case nglinux. Now let's run a container by using following command: docker run -d -p, then the port number, then --name and the container name, then the image name, colon, and the image tag. This will create a container. We can switch to a browser and hit the URL with the IP address or simply localhost port number to display our web page. Now to list our containers, you can use the docker command like docker ps, or else you can also open Docker desktop and navigate to images to see the images listed. You can also select the image and check the image details like how the image has been built. You can also check for running containers by clicking on the containers tab. You can stop the container or delete it directly from the Docker desktop. Okay, so this is it on how to build a Docker image and run a container. See you in next lecture.